Hello guys, my name is Mark Kaganov. I am a lead consultant with Lean ISO Management Systems. A couple of quick questions. Is your ISO quality, environmental, or safety management system over-documented? Are there too many SOPs, forms, and other documents? Are those procedures sometimes too long and hard to follow? Most likely the answer was yes. How do I know? In my 20 plus years of auditing, I keep on finding again and again, in different countries and various industries, in companies large and small, the same problem. Management systems are over-documented. This is bad news. Good news is that nobody should die from SOPs because there is a simple and graceful solution. Today, I would like to talk about how to create lean procedures. Interested? Let's get started. The symptoms of over-documented management systems are numerous. There are too many procedures, they are too long, irrelevant and duplicate material, conflicting information in different procedures, outdated content, difficult to understand. In short, some systems are headaches. Remedy for the headache is simplicity. The simpler the document, the less time it takes to create or revise it. Validate, review and approve, train your team on, the better understanding by users. Lean systems save time and money. Lean is a systematic method originating in the Japanese manufacturing industry for the minimization of waste within a system. So, to transition to the lean state in documentation, one has to identify and eliminate waste, those steps that do not contribute to the purpose of a procedure. The purpose of a procedure is to provide steps to perform a particular process. The purpose is stated in the title. For example, management review process, internal audit procedure, business objectives metrics, and others. Anything that does not contribute to the purpose is waste. Let's find waste and kill it. Our lean document examination tool includes some 20 indicators of waste to assess how lean a procedure is. The most frequent donors are duplicate information, excessive wording, documents are too long, references to not relevant standards and procedures, use of document numbers in small size companies, excessive graphics, title blocks, tables with revision history, approvals, and others. Why and how did we get there? There is an old saying, wise people learn from other people's mistakes, smart people learn from their own mistakes. Some people do not learn from anybody's mistakes. Russians call it to step on the same rake again. Strongly recommend not to try it, it hurts. So, what is the mistake we can learn from? More and more companies around the world are moving toward lean business practices in manufacturing, logistics, services, and other industries. Regretfully, no companies in my entire auditing career use lean principles for their management systems. This is a mistake. Let's learn from it. Transition to the lean documentation system. Start from the biggest headaches. Use procedure template to keep document format and appearance consistent. Use concise, descriptive, and unique titles. No document numbers for small systems. No use of passive voice. No responsibilities in references sections. Minimum graphics. No company name in the procedures. Validate document prior to release. Remember 3B rule for an effective presentation? Be bright, be brief, be gone. To be bright, justify the need for the procedure. Regulatory or legal requirements, company needs, customer requirements, inconsistent process results, and others. Investigate what documents are already in the system on the topic. Consider updating existing documents. Avoid duplication. Use concise technical writing language. Write procedures by observing, not by memory. Validate your draft. Correct the draft and release the procedure. Be brief statistics. Issue. Procedures are too wordy. Correction. Reduce the number of words. Our training courses include procedure optimization exercises. Our statistics show 50% of exercises resulted in reduction of word count by 12% on a first trial. 40% resulted in reduction of word count by minimum 25% with some effort and coaching. Our record was, believe it or not, 95% reduction in word count with no loss of content from 1,673 to 160 words. Brief just for fun. If you are curious about this approach to simplify procedures, pick a lengthy document from your management system. Lean it up by eliminating ways that we discussed earlier and reduce the number of words by 25% without impacting the content. 25% is not a pass score, just a target. Validate your revision. Share your success with others. Try it. You may like it. Our recent success story. A small medical device company reduced the number of procedures by some 50% from 425 to 236. In the process, the total number of pages was reduced by some 60% from 3,820 to 1,280. Device history record. It's a medical device manufacturing requirement, was reduced by some 60% from 236 pages to 91 pages with no impact on regulatory requirements. Let's give these folks a round of applause. They deserve it. Well done. Well done indeed. And what are we going to do about our systems? We can continue staying in our comfort zone, following old habits, wasting time, and drowning in our SOPs. Or we can acknowledge the problem and lead the change to make our management systems lean and efficient. Lean ISO management systems consultants offer training, consulting, and coaching to improve over-documented management systems. Contact us to learn how you can make your system lean and efficient. Let's stay in touch. Send us your success stories, and until another time, thank you for watching.